Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm here at the new Harry Potter store here in Chicago off of Michigan Avenue. I'll be totally honest, I'm not the biggest fan, but I've gotten so much feedback from everybody here and on TikTok, and everyone wants to see it, so I figured I might as well pop my head in here and show around. So yeah, it's very well decorated everywhere. They got music in here, very ambient. I thought this area over here was really cool. This is the wand dealer, if you will. We'll see if we can see some of this. Here we go. All the different wands for the characters. Ooh, that Death Eater, that one's pretty cool. A couple other ones over here, celebration wands. And all these feel like really nice. They all have some weight to them. Yeah, check this out. They got the whole table here with all the wands around it. We'll head back toward the middle here. If we go over here into the corner, there's some more merch. There you got your hoodies. Ravenclaw. Yeah, see, I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. My sister will, she's a big fan. But I mean, just look at all the decorations up top. You know, you got your broom up there. I mean, all this stuff is really cool. Oh wait, I didn't even know, I thought these were decorations. No, you can actually buy those. Some mugs here and there. Oh, you know what? I will say the moment I walked in, I was given this pin here. Hold on. There we go. Got a free pin, Harry Potter Chicago. A couple of jerseys here. And this is now the third Harry Potter store location. There's one in New York City, one in London, and now we got one here in Chicago. And apparently, this is a rumor, I don't know if this is actually true or not, but they actually hired people from the London store to come here to Chicago because they all had the accent. I don't know if that's true or not, but honestly, I could see it happening. I haven't heard anyone here with an accent yet. Did have to wait quite a while to get in here. So it opened up yesterday. Today's April 11th. It opened up on the 10th at 10 in the morning, and people were waiting out the door at 6:30, and the line wrapped around the building, the entire building. We got some candy here. You know, you got the jelly beans, of course. Uh-oh, someone got vomit flavor. That's a good one. This is like the personalization section, so you could buy stuff and then come get it personalized over here. You got the Butterbeer. There's actually a cafe for Butterbeer over on the other side, but lots of cool decorations everywhere. Where were the books? Hold on, let me see if the books were somewhere I want to show. There they are. Right there on the ceiling. I mean, look at that. And they actually move. There we go. I got some beer mugs. I mean, butterbeer mugs. We're almost to the back here. I think the back might just be where you buy stuff. Hold on, I kind of want to see what flavor I get. Oh man. That's all right, we'll count this as ours too. Give me the vomit flavor, come on. No. Soap, that one's pretty good. Not too bad. Oh, wow. There's some more Butterbeer. Look at that though. They got the Art Deco Harry Potter Chicago. Look at that. Very Art Deco-y. Yeah, so it looks like this is just where you come purchase all your stuff. We got a lot of people over here in the corner. Not sure.
Ready? 1, 2. Be careful.
Now we're gonna go over here back to the front. We'll check out the little cafe area as we try to surf through the crowd here. Oh, I didn't even see this. Get yourself a little broom. I thought this over here was really well. It looks so cool over here. This is where you come get your Butterbeer. Now, I'm not entirely sure what it is. Apparently it's supposed to be, tastes like butterscotch, and not so sweet butterscotch. I really don't know. But yeah, you got a little cafe here. Let's actually head on that way. Let me just cross over here. Oh, they got that cool thing they have at the Starbucks to clean out the glasses. Yeah, all the seating over here. And this brings us back to the front. So yeah, this is Michigan Avenue right here. 676 North Michigan Avenue. Yeah, you got the stag out front. And yeah, you got the stained glass here. Yeah, like I said, very well decorated. What is that? Changing room? Might actually be. Yeah, this is really cool. This is cool that this is here on Michigan Avenue now. The line is probably going to be extremely busy for a while. Just like the Starbucks right across the street. It was a line out the door around the building for a while. Hopefully it's not too crazy so people can come in here and check it out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing a little first look at the Harry Potter store here. Hopefully you come on by, get yourself some Butterbeer, get yourself a cool wand. I'm honestly trying not to buy one for myself. I don't need one. I'm trying to tell myself because I really don't. But it's also kind of cool. And I need some decorations. But yeah, with that being said, everybody, thanks for tuning in and checking it out. And I'll see you around. Peace.